the BlockUp system, leveling the system and setting a good base course is very easy. We provide a 4-foot leveling block, which has 2 mechanical levelers, a single post and a double post. These levelers are put inside the block from the underside, already in place when you receive it. These are activated then by a nut driver with a simple twist. As we level the system, we're going to show the leveling of the system with a simple bubble level. We go initially to the single post. We level the system up. We bring it up to height. Then we go to the double post. And the double post gives us the formation of a 3-legged stool. We're able to bring the block up to height. And then we're able to take and twist these so that we can actually level the width of the block. So we can make the block extremely accurate in the length and in the width. So we have a very accurate starting point, which then will grout solid. So we will take, after the blocks are leveled, take rebar. Rebar is easily put into the notches at the top of the block. Vertical rebar is placed wherever it's needed structurally in any of the cells. The system then is grouted solid. It's a level system, a solid system, that we use then as a base for the rest of the construction.